Welcome to smoothie time. So we've just blended up 3 of our most commonly used protein shake recipes that we use almost on a daily basis to show you how simple and easy it is to make a meal in a cup that fulfills your macro needs and provides the essential nutrients you need to build a lean and strong body. So I'm using supplements from our friends at EarthNutri, and we do have a discount code to share with you. It's LiveLeanTV 25 if you want to save 25% off all your supplements. These are ones we have been loving for probably 5 years now. They're so good. They use all natural ingredients, no artificial sweeteners, and high quality protein that actually works, delivers results. It's easy to digest, it tastes good, it checks all the boxes of what I look for in a protein supplement. They also have your vitamins to keep you strong and healthy, keep your immune system high so that you can stay well. With vitamin D, calcium, iron, and magnesium, some of the essential nutrients that sometimes are missing in our diets even when we're eating really well. But in today's video, I just want to show you our smoothie recipes that we're using regularly and show you how we use these proteins to make a meal replacement in a cup. Here's Brad's typical smoothie. He likes the egg white protein better than the whey. Egg white protein is a great alternative for you if you are sensitive to dairy. It also tastes amazing and it's really low calorie, really high protein. You can see it was delicious because it is already gone. Now I'm over here double fisting these because I wanted to show you both of these recipes to give you 2 alternatives. Usually I just have one a day. Today I'm doubling up. So people ask me a lot if I prefer the chocolate or vanilla, and the answer is both. I absolutely love both. I was a vanilla girl for a long time, but then when they reformulated and came out with this chocolate one, I'm a believer because it is so good and it mixes well with fruit and it tastes amazing on its own too. I was a vanilla girl for the longest time and now I'm going chocolate. Once I taste the chocolate, I could never go back. Then I tried the chocolate and I was like, damn, that's good. So in this recipe, I have the vanilla whey isolate, and I'm also adding some of my other favorite supplements from them, like the Natural Beauty collagen supplement, and also the creatine, the Crea Pure that they just came out with, which has a glacier flavor. For this chocolate one, I'm mixing it simply with orange juice and ice, just to show you how incredibly simple and easy this can be. Usually when I'm making this type of smoothie, I'm just looking for 2 things, a protein source and a carb source, and that is it. You just want protein and carbs immediately post-workout to help fuel your muscles and replace that lost glycogen that you just burned up. So this is the perfect combo. So just a cup of juice, scoop of protein, some ice just to chill it. And this is so good. It tastes exactly like one of those chocolate orange candies where the chocolate is shaped like an orange and you break it apart, and it's so good. If you have been considering trying a protein supplement but you're unsure about it because you think it's like only for bodybuilders or it's an unnecessary part of your diet, I just want to share with you that the reason I use and love it is because it is a high quality protein source that tastes like dessert. And it's such an easy way to boost your daily protein intake by 25 grams. So quickly, so simply. This is my favorite meal of the day because of how few dishes it uses and how little of my time it takes. Sometimes I do pair this with another meal, like either at the same time as lunch or at the same time as dinner. So it doesn't have to be a separate meal of your day, but including it with a meal can really bump your protein quantity up for the day and really help you see incredible weight loss and muscle toning. The thing that attracted me to EarthNutri as a brand in the first place was how their ingredients are so clean and so simple and so few. Because if you are shopping around for proteins, I want you to look at the nutrition label and notice the ingredients list. Sometimes it is a mile long with a whole bunch of chemical additives that just aren't necessary. With EarthNutri, they're using only the necessary essential ingredients and no fillers or unnecessary additives. The creatine is one that I've just started using maybe about 2 weeks ago now, so I'm early into using this, and I've experimented with it a little bit before in the past, but never really for a long enough time because I never really found one that I liked, that I would consistently use. Most of them taste really chalky or are really grainy, but this one I find it dissolves really easily in water and it has a good flavor. The flavor is called Glacier. It's a little bit sour, a little salty, a little sweet, but it's a good refreshing flavor and it's good enough that I like it and I look forward to drinking it, so I've been using it consistently. All people can benefit from this. It's great for injury prevention. It gives you more energy and strength during your workouts, more stamina and more endurance. It can also support cognitive and brain health, making you mentally sharper and more clear. And then it also prevents muscle aging loss with age, which is one of the main reasons why I want to start supplementing now. Well, I'm still pretty young, but not getting any younger. You can add this right into your smoothie, or you can take it separately. Most of the time I just stir it mixed with water and then drink it quick, either right before or right after my workout. And it's just a super easy way to support your journey to be as strong and lean and healthy as possible. So thanks again to our friends at EarthNutri for supplying all the goodies and hooking you up with that discount code 25% off supplements. It's such a great deal, and you can get on a recurring subscription so you never run out of the goods. And then it's just such an easy way to ensure you're getting your protein needs. I left the link in the description box below with our discount code. Get yourself healthy and start implementing some of the simple habits that are just so simple you can't mess this up. Cheers to making gains and keep living lean.